welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. We had another different filming location, kind of, sort of. We're getting rid of our dining room table because we never use it except to film videos. And we just got a bunch of furniture from my dad's estate. So I brought his couch and two of his chairs here. So I'm going to have two living spaces. So right now I'm actually sitting in the door frame between my living room and my dining room. Like, I got quite a mess if like around. Okay, well, it doesn't look so messy right there, but that's going to be my new couch. It's covered. That's my Halloween decorations and my eyeshadow palettes for fall. Yeah, there's one of my new chairs. So yes, it's a little different. Everything worked, technology. So yeah, I'm in the middle of a doorway right now, but you know, it's a nice doorway. I got a lot of plants going on here. So that is my little house. Why are we here? Glossybox, October. I've canceled Glossybox now. I bit the bullet. I just wasn't loving it. It always was coming late. It never blew my mind, and it's about the same price as BoxyCharm, and I love BoxyCharm so much more. So I bit the bullet and I canceled, so I'm not sure how many more I'm going to get because I do pay 3 months in advance. So I'm thinking by January I will be done. I do have the advent calendar to open, so I am very excited for that because that one is always a joy. But the basic box, not so much. Not really. But let's get into it. Alright, so this is a monthly subscription. I believe it costs approximately $25 a month US. So I never know how much this box actually costs because the exchange rate fluctuates. But it's probably around $30. Sometimes you get a themed box. I got an email saying either October's, which is this one, or November's was not going to get the themed box that it was supposed to. Oh well, so this is their standard pink box. I do still love their packaging. It's my favorite packaged box that I get. And then it comes with a beautiful tied ribbon and then lovely tissue paper. So it is nicely packaged. It just doesn't, I don't always love the things that are in it. So the theme is the Magical Masquerade. So I think this one was supposed to have a nice box. I didn't get it. Now on the inside it tells us what does it tell us? The prices of our products. So this is a combination of deluxe samples, travel size, and full size items. And BoxyCharm is all full size, which is another reason why, you know, this one, it just doesn't do it for me. So let's, I'm ripping it. So that is our box. It's probably going to wow me this month because I've canceled it. Blindly pulling out a squeezy tube from One Kind. I don't know that I'm familiar with this brand. This is a Dream Cream Nighttime Moisturizer, which is nice. You don't get a lot of nighttime moisturizers. I do like to slap stuff on my skin before I go to sleep. So that is the first thing we've received. Another squeezy tube from Ahava Smoothing Body Lotion. Oh, it's all dirty. See that? It's all dirty. Why is it all dirty? So this is Superfood Kale and Turmeric. And did I say it's a smoothing body lotion? Well, I did now. Super recipe nourishment for your skin. We just got a smoothing body lotion in our Ipsy too. And I'm just saying how much I love getting, this smells nice, how I love getting lotions for the body and the hands in these boxes because you don't get it very often. And then I just got one after the other. It's very nicely scented, but it is strong. So I would probably put this on, I don't know when I would put this on. Before bed, I don't really want to have anything too heavily scented. So probably in the daytime. So that is item number 2. All right, then we have got probably a sheet mask from the brand Pop Mask. This is Starry Eyes Self-Warming Eye Mask. Oh, it warms up in 30 seconds. Like a good eye mask. What does it do? What does it tell me? Tell me. It's, yeah, what does it do though? It doesn't really say what its benefits are. I'm going to try it and figure out what the benefits are without looking at the prices. If you're having trouble getting your beauty sleep or just want to feel extra relaxed, Pop Mask could be a perfect solution made with non-woven cotton and naturally occurring ingredients. This fragrance-free starry mask will provide warm, soothing relaxation. So it's just a relaxation mask. It doesn't really have any healing, anti-aging properties. But very cool. All right, next up, from Ico. I love Ico London. This is a travel size I Do liquid eyeliner, line and enhance. So it's liquid eyeliner. My sister, I do too, but my sister loves the Ico mascara, so I always pass that along to her. And I do have a ton of eyeliners, so I might pass this along as well. It's waterproof, lash enhancing in the shade Carbon Black. So it's got a nice felt tip. These are my favorite kinds of eyeliners. I don't wear a lot of eyeliner, but if I do, I like a felt tip. So you can change the preciseness of your line. So you can get really thin or get really fat. I think that do they make the fat one? I've got a brand of eyeliner upstairs that like literally has a fat felt tip pen. And I do like that one. Because it's like, just do it thick, just get it done, because I'm gonna make it look thick anyway, trying to even up both sides, because I'm still not knowing what I'm doing. I entertain myself anyways. What did we have here? So this is from Josephine, and it's probably a lipstick. It's Lip Power Natural Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Glamorously Healthy. I get a lot of matte lipsticks. I just don't love how they dry my lips out. Oh my. That's really pretty packaging though, and look at that color. Holy moly. So it's in the shade, did I say what it was already? Oh, it's not, the shade is not Glamorously Healthy. That's just what it is. This is the shade. So Meet T-Pain, I think. That's a really nice tube of lipstick, isn't it? So it must be like a doe foot applicator. Yes. Wow, that's red. All right, so this is a shade, sorry, that I opened in my Ipsy. So this one is the shade. And it is like a really nice, like it's red, but it's got more of a pink tone to it. So it's not very orange. It's not terribly orange, if you know what I mean. I don't even know what I mean. Really pretty. That'll be nice for Christmas, for sure. But it was in the Halloween box, so they probably also wanted you to wear it at Halloween. But I didn't get it in time. All right, and I think we're on our last thing. So this is from More is More. Judith Lieber for Her. Oh, is it a perfume? Oh, is it? What is it? What is it? What is it? What is it? Okay, I just gotta open this. If it's a perfume, of course they're gonna give me a really good box when I've canceled. Isn't that always how it goes? And then I will renew, and then it'll just be not so great. Oh, okay, well, it's come out of the box a little bit, but it is 3 mini perfumes. So we've got More Gourmand, Rich and Gourmand, More Zest, Citrus, Floral, and Woody, and More Floral, which is Woody White Floral. And you can wear them all alone or mixed together. So that's cute. You don't get a lot of perfume samples. I'm going to choose the rich one, the Rich and Gourmand. Didn't know gourmand was a real word. Is that what this one is? More gourmand. So that is the size of the perfume. Oh, I've broken it. Oops. Oh, so it's already got the spray applicator. And I've just pulled it off. because that's what I do. That's how I roll. I like to break stuff. Well, that's nice. So it's actually already got the sprayer, which doesn't really work. It's okay. It's nice. It reminds me of something I wore maybe when I was a young teenager, when, you know, I didn't really know what kind of smells I liked. It's pretty. It's pretty. It reminds me of something, though, that I used to wear, like, in the early 90s. Can't think of it, though. Nope. But, very cute. We'll try more. Alright, so that was our October Glossybox. One of our last ones on this channel. So let's see what our box value is. So from Josephine Cosmetics, this is a full size, the lip power, $30. So that is more than our box was, so that's good. The Starry Eyes sheet mask, the single is $4 and a 5-pack is worth $20. The Ico eyeliner travel size, this is $12 and the full size is worth $22. The Ahava body lotion, this is the deluxe mini, this is worth $5 and the full size is worth $31. The One Kind deluxe mini, so the Dream Cream nighttime moisturizer, this size is worth $12 and the full size is worth $38. And the Judith Lieber trial size fragrances, this set is worth $12 and a full size is worth $145. So it's actually a very expensive perfume. I'm still smelling it. I don't know. I don't know how I feel. I probably won't love the floral one. I like to smell like vanilla. I like to smell like a treat. And my husband likes me to smell like Angel, which is a really spicy, like strong scented perfume. So we compromise and I wear it on special occasions. So yeah, that is our October box. It was actually a really good box. I'm picking my favorites. I'm gonna go with the lipstick. It's not a shade I would wear on a normal day to day, but it is really pretty and the packaging is beautiful. The Ico London eyeliner, just because I do like this brand very much. The eye mask. The perfume, just because it's nice to get something different. And then these two lotions are tied. But there wasn't anything I didn't like. So that's always good. And of course, now that I've canceled, like I said. So I'd like to thank you all for watching. I really appreciate it. I do have some good things coming up in the next couple of weeks. I think I've got all of my advent calendars ordered and here. I believe that I have 4 that I'll be unboxing. I've got the Glossybox 24-day calendar, 25-day calendar. Look Fantastic is also 25-day calendar. Very expensive. I got the FabFitFun is actually offering an advent calendar this year. I was lucky to get that. That's a 12-day calendar. And then from Winners, I picked up I think it was Profusion Cosmetics. It was $17-ish, and I believe that is $24 days as well. I really wanted the Huda Beauty one, but I can't afford it because I pay for all of these items myself. Because help me, I'm poor. So yeah, look for that in the next coming weeks. I always get excited for the advent calendars. The first year I had this channel, which was 2 years ago, I literally made a video every day opening up the one door from each calendar. Then last year, I just opened them all. And that worked out well. And then I actually left the Glossybox one to be my actual advent calendar. Because it's drawers and boxes, so you could put it back together. And I'll probably do that again this year because that one is my favorite. So yeah, Maria, that's my story. And thank you for watching. If you don't mind liking and subscribing, you can hit like down below. Give me a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. You can click here to go to my channel and subscribe. And then there's more videos here and here for your viewing pleasure. I hope you all have a great day. Thanks for watching.